Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to have fun with AutoCAD. We're gonna do anything we want. There are no limit and let's do some fun. It's a serious working application but still we can have fun. So let's do it. Now first thing we are going to draw a small circle would be fine. C, enter, click. Even it is for fun, we are going to use dimensions because this is gonna help us to improve ourselves to use dimensions. Okay, so let's draw a circle. Let's say is 2 inches. So 2, enter. Very small circle. I'm gonna click on my top view. It's big now. Keep it here and I'm gonna draw an arc. Click here. Go straight. Yeah, I can go straight like let's say 10 and then click here. Then click select and pull it down until like 4 inches. So this is 4. Now I'm going to select it, mirror it, click here, click there, enter. So after mirror it's become this side closed, this side open. Doesn't matter, no problem. Okay, we are going to draw another line from here to the center of the circle or anywhere here. Okay, press escape, then clean inside of the circle, trim. So it's gonna look like this. Now we are going to draw a small, let's imagine this is a leaf and we are going to give some straight just mirroring this one and pressing F8. So it's gonna look like a little bit of leaf. Now select both of them, C or enter, go like this. So let's go with 0.75. next one gonna be 1.5. you getting me what I'm doing, right? Okay, now you can do it another way. So let's go back, Control Z, PE, poly editing, enter, select this line. Do you want to turn it to 1? Y is selected. If no selected, like if N is there, take it off, give Y and press enter. And then you can press J from your keyboard or click to select a join. So I'm pressing J and pressing enter. Now selecting this one and press enter and another enter, and now touch it and see it's one line, right? Let's offset it. O, enter, 0.75, enter, click, 1, 2, 3, no worries. It's become too small. EX, I'm extending it. So let's extend this one. Okay, and then offset again. Oh boy, EX. If we copy it, we're not gonna face this offsetting problems, but we can do it another way. I don't like it the way I did. I don't like it. I'm going to go back, Control Z. Okay, it's one line. Now I'm gonna click on this one or press Control U to undo. So I'm gonna click here because I want this line is like already become one line. I'm moving it until here. Okay, now we are going to offset it. O, enter, 0.75, enter. Now it's become bigger, not smaller. Make sense? This is called fun with AutoCAD. Now another thing, I don't like to keep more like too much or like space there. So I'm selecting all of them, moving back a little bit, and then trim all the extra lines. Here you go. So it become one leaf, right? Now I feel like this circle is too big, but we're gonna draw something inside the circle later. Now let's do one thing. We can make it as a block, so those lines not gonna go away, but not necessary. If we command AR, enter, select this all, enter, then it's asking you rectangular or path or polar. I'm gonna select polar, then go to the center of the circle. If you go somewhere here like close to the circle, I'm gonna show you the center. Click here and it's automatically coming like 6 leaves, but we want a little more. What do you think? So do not click, do not enter, just go with your mouse. I know the mouse is selected like busy, so go there. There are 6 items, right? Click here, make it 12 and press tab or just select some other line box. It's gonna show you something like this. So because of 12, it's the leaf overlapping each other. Let's see if we make it less than 12, like maybe 9. How does it look? I'm just clicking on other box to see the changes. Yay, 9 fit perfectly. I'm gonna click here to close array and it's become one piece. It's not gonna go away if we move it, you see, but circle is still there. Control Z, go back to the circle. Now what we're gonna do, we are going to make some small leaves. So you know what is fun? I will draw something fun. So let's select everything, CO, enter, copy it here, then select everything, scale it, make it very small. So slowly you grow it to see the changes. Press F3 to turn off your what is called the snapping, and come a little bigger. Like, yeah, this is good. I think if you want to use size, press 4 from your keyboard and press enter. Oops, Control Z. No, Z number 4 was not helping. So SC, enter, select everything, enter, click here, coming slowly up. I want to fit inside. I'll show you later. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. F3 is off, so I'm gonna just click without any dimension. Click. Now I'm gonna move it to the center here. Now I want this leaf sit between these 2 leaves. Let's see if it is work. So Control Z, it's back. Let's select it, RO, enter, click here, make it like 15 and then take it back. 15 not sitting properly. No, so we're gonna do it on the spot. So I'm gonna click on this one of the small leaves and the small circle. It's selected. Now RO, enter, select the center point, go outside, press F8 and slowly rotate. See, I'm pulling up. Bring it down, little more. Yeah, I think this could fit nice. Click without any dimension, so it's sitting like this. Now I'm gonna delete the big circle. You see, do you like it? You can draw flower and other thing with AutoCAD. So I'm gonna choose color. So select the big one, go to home, click here. Yeah, no, select here, click here, go to choose this green color and see how it's look. It's not being in green. Because it's a block, because of the array. The array tool make it as a block and its color is not changing. It should be change the color. Let me see a different way. L enter. Just I draw a line, make it like red color, then match properties for command MA for match properties, enter. So I'm gonna select this one, click on that one and click any of these. So because of the block it's not being color. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I'm gonna delete this line and I need to break it, but I don't want to break it. Let's break it. X to explode. Select everything. Deselect the small one, holding the shift and clicking on it. Holding the shift, clicking on the circle, so it's become deselect. Now the bigger one is selected. Click here, give them green color, and then select this one, bring it out because if you keep there and you break it, problem. I'm gonna bring it out and pressing F8, bringing how much, like 3 feet, and then I'm gonna break this one, select it, pressing X to explode, enter, and select everything, make it little lighter green instead of dark green. So right now we select, I think, the other one, this one. Now I'm gonna select this one, so it's become little lighter. Now select everything, B for block, and give a name, SMALLFLOWER. Okay, and then I will tell you what was open. So I'm selecting this one, giving command B from keyboard, enter. You see open in block editor. Because of this one, the block editor was open. So this one, large FLOWER, and then click OK. So this one large flower, this one small flower. Selecting this, the small one, moving it. You remember we moved it 3 feet, so bringing back 3 feet, enter. So now it's sitting nicely, right? Now we are going to give it okay, so let's copy this one and copy, like 2 feet is too much, but 2 feet is better. 24 just for inches, and then next one we're gonna be 48, or you can just mirror this one. What is the center point? This is the center point. Click here. So you have 3 flower, right? Let's make one more on the top. enter. Let's say 24, and then we are going to draw a tub here. It's not flower, it's just leaves, but the circle here, I'm making it look not nice. Oh boy. Okay, let's draw something. So enter. From the circle we're drawing an arc, F8, you see that? I'm just pulling it to there. Now selecting this one, AR, enter for array, polar array. This is the center point, and make it like this. But we want more than 6, so make it 9, enter. Go to the click another box and then close the array one. Close the array. Selecting this one, X to explode. Select everything and make it more light color. So it's look like this. Yeah. I don't like this circle. So you can double click on this one. Okay, you can see, right? So you can make it select all to go to C and then deselect, click on this circle, delete it and close it. You can't see anything because of the color. Now it's look more natural. I'm deleting these guys, no worries. We're gonna just copy very fast. CO, enter. Go F8 on, so 24, enter. 48, enter, and then select them on the center. CO, enter. 24, enter. Escape. Now we're going to draw a tab on the straight below. So L, enter. Go to the center of this one. Go straight down, not more than 5 feet, I think. Okay, 6 feet. And then we're going to draw a line like 24. Select this line from the center point, put it there. Then we're gonna draw an ellipse. EL, enter. So click here, click there, then pull it back. There you go. Now Ctrl Z. I'm gonna keep the lines to draw something else. A, enter. Yay! Look like a tab, right? F8. Click, go straight click and then press enter, and then draw a line here which is gonna be little above than the ground. EX, enter. Extend both sides, then trim the roundness from the bottom, otherwise it's not gonna sitting there. Alrighty, now I'm gonna delete this one and maybe draw a handle on the both side. So, nah, not necessary now. So A, enter. Selecting this center point and F8. Yeah. Hello. Okay. So later we're gonna take it out, but I mean the extra part. Just for now, keep it like this. And what about this one? This one also we're gonna clean up on the way. Set 0.25 is good. No? Yeah, 25 is good. So what I did, offset both side 0.25 mean quarter inch, and then offset it both sides, it become half inch, but get the center. Now if we trim out, you can click here, you can click there, then select these two extra extensions and delete it. So look like this way a bunch go and have a leaf, leafy. Selecting these two, MI, enter. Selecting the center point, go straight down, press F8, click enter, and then we're gonna extend these lines. Click here, click there, so it's become extended. Now we are going to draw. I want, like, if we have a bunch like these coming down here, would be more beautiful than straight, because straight gonna be look deleting this line. Let's see if I can make it. A, enter. Let's say selecting this point, F8, clicking here. Now again clicking here. Okay, oh boy. Oh. Trim. I need this line now. Trimming extra, trimming extras. Okay, now look, not too bad. yeah, makes sense. Okay, let's make a fillet here. So fillet, enter, radius, enter, make it 18 inches. Let's see how it's look. Oopsie. Okay, now poly editing is become little more good. No. Instead of this one, go to this line. If I pull this one up a little bit, maybe look better. But now this one looking ugly. Deleting this line and just touching to that one. Nah, not look good. Okay, I'm keeping this one, pulling this one down a little bit. Now look better. Yes. So PE for poly edit, select this line, enter, join, select this line, enter. One line become, okay, offset, enter, offset is 0.25, enter, click here, click inside, click here, click outside, press escape, select the center line, delete it, and then come here, trimming a long line, so it's look like that one go fast and this one goes second through the top, and then trim out the extra lines. So it's become, yeah, and then draw an arc from here to there. Okay, no, yes, if you is gonna go there, look better, I think. Yes, and then we are going to offset it. Offset, we have already 0.25, so just offset, enter, click on the line outside, then click on the line inside, then after pressing enter, select the center line, delete it, then trim out the one go out. Anyone you want, I'm just, that's my opinion, but you can do however you want. So do something sometime, by yourself, like always we do, right? Sometime, if you, when I was a new student, I was afraid to do something by myself. I was thinking, oh my god, something gonna get bad or something. Actually, never. It's better. You do by yourself, something you can figure out, it's better. It's always better. Okay, so now it's look like a tab, and we have some anything else. We can add few other things there. Should we have lines here or should not? Yeah, let's keep line. If we can show some stone there, Let me see if some H's can help us. H, enter, clicking here, then clicking here. This architectural cones maybe help. Let me see if we have something better than this. So we have sand, then few other things, but the cone is best. So I'm just pressing escape and gonna click on this one. Let's say 0.25, enter. 25 is too small. Let's say 0.35. 35. Click and then select this one. Give it a color. No, not now. Escape. Now look like we have a beautiful tub, have something inside like sand and other stone, and then we have this. Guys, if you think this is beautiful, then we had some fun. Alright, now we are gonna keep it on the side. Let's draw something else. I'm just pressing Ctrl S to save. So we are going to draw now some shelves. Normally shelves have so many kind of design. We can draw one shelf, which is sometimes we see in the movie. Now it's a corner shelf. So let's start with draw a straight line. I'm pressing F8. So let's make it like 10 feet. So and draw a line from here to there and pull this line there. So it's gonna be a line with this one. You can use align command, but I sometimes feel fast this way. Okay, so now we are going to draw a rectangle, which is let's say 15 inch by 1.5. So you might thinking like when carpenter making it, how they're gonna have 1.5 inch thick wood, right? So the wood gonna be 2 pieces. Okay, it's because of my dimension style. I'm gonna go to format, going to dimension style, modify it, then select 0 feet 0.0 inches and click OK, click OK, and here is 1.5. So they're gonna actually put 2 pieces of 0.75, because 0.75 or 1 inch is expensive. 0.75 is little less expensive, and they can put 2 pieces together. It's gonna look better. Sometimes those board have one side is very nice, another one side is not that nice. So if you put 2 ugly side here and the nice side on the top and nice on the down, this look good. Alrighty, so now it's a corner shelf. So let's say this is a wall, this way one wall, another wall is this way. So it's not gonna look exactly like a corner, but I'm just trying to make it make sense. And now we are going to draw in a line until here. Oops, not A, L, enter, select a line. Okay, before that actually I should let you know what's the difference from here to there. So I'm drawing another line here with F8 on and offset it like 15 inches. Click here, click there. So we should push it up to there. I use move, enter, preview, enter, enter. it's look like this. So let's say I just moved this one here, right? I want to select this one, so I'm going to press enter to select the move command, and then P for previews, enter, then to select object another enter, and then you click and move. Makes sense? Pressing escape and Control Z to bring it here. Now I should let you know what's the difference from this corner to here. So DLI enter, right now we have from here to there maybe 6.1, which is gonna make it like, no, we're gonna bring it all the way here. So 6.1 is 6.1, but it's actually a little more. So I'm gonna just select this corner, take it to this corner, delete the line, you can delete this line too, select now this one, move it just 15, enter, and wait, so the corner thing going to be a piece of wood, which is gonna be a little strong wood, so we should keep space for it. So I'm gonna select this one, moving it 3 inches out. Now now offset 1.5, enter. So this corner gonna be 3 inch thick, like a column, but it's gonna be round, and we're going to ask the carpenter to make it from ground to the top. Now let's move it a little more. No, let's move it 1.5, or we can bring it just down again here. Sorry guys. Okay, and then move it this way 3, it's just gonna be similar to the column, move it 15, and then we're going to draw I want to draw an arc, so A, enter, click here, F8, bring it here, now the whole point is, if I select this, mirror this one, it should be like a circle, not so. Now how can I make sure? I need to draw a line from this center to this center, then draw a circle from here to there. So the line I draw is not much circular, I'm deleting it. This is the plan. This should be look like this, half of the circle. I'm deleting, trimming the extra lines. Okay, here you go. Now offsetting this one, offset 0.75. Should we keep the center line? Kind of look cute. Deleting this, cleaning the inside of the column. So it's look like a shelf here and shelf there. Now our shelf should have something on the side, otherwise it's might drop things. So we can do it a beautiful way, which is clicking here, going this way, 0.75, enter, go like 3 inches, come inside, like instead of straight, no, I'm gonna press escape here, and then we're gonna push it, draw a arc from here, press F8, go there, and then PE for polyedit, select this one, and yes, join, select this one, enter. So it's become a small polyline. Mirror it to the other side, F8, enter, clean the interior, EX, enter, extend this one, enter to repeat, extend, enter, trim, take out this line, select both of these, mirror it to this center point, and look like we have our shelf. So if we keep something there, it's not gonna fall down, even if there are some slope, but still it's gonna have some support. And that's good, I think. Do you think this is too sharp? Somebody get hurt. Let's fillet and radius 0.25, enter, select here, click there. Okay, now problem. Control Z, fillet, enter, radius, enter, 0.125. So how they're gonna make it? They're gonna cut a piece of wood, then no, it's not look good. The problem is they're not able to make it the way we want. So I'm gonna go back. Let's see how many times we're gonna go back and come back. Select this one. Okay, now draw a line like 1 inch. No. Okay, so draw a line from here, 0.75, enter, fillet radius 0.125, so clicking here, clicking there, enter, clicking here, clicking there. So both sides going to be, a little bit round, so people not gonna get hurt themselves. Now you're gonna ask, maybe what about this corner? Can I make it? Yes. Fillet, enter. Make this corner also little round, so people not gonna get hurt. Oops, I did this one too. Okay, Control C. So select this one, PE, enter. This line, enter, join. Select as much line you have, enter, become one piece. Mirror it from the center, click, enter. Remember, we extend this one, then we're gonna extend that one, then trim, because you go back, that's why. So come back. Now I'm gonna select this two of these, the sidebar, clicking the center point, mirroring it to the other side, enter. So look like our shelf, we got our shelf. Now selecting this one, selecting that one, and CO, enter. Now we are going to go to make it. The first one was 15. If you make it 30, what will happen? No. Control Z. So if I select this way, the center one gonna select, but if I select from left to right, it's gonna select only these. So CO, enter. If we make it 15, how gonna sit? Yes, this is good, I like it. 30, then 45, enter, then push the mouse, 60, enter, then 75, I believe, 75, then 90, enter, and press escape. Now we're going to delete one of these, then one of these. So right, left, then this one, then this one, then this one. You can keep it if you want a different way you like, but the whole topic, the whole logic behind it, that one gonna be on the left, one gonna be on the right, and this is how you can have a very nice corner shelf. I'll try to make a 3D with about this one to show you guys. If you want to see the 3D, let me know. I don't know if anybody watching my video or not. Like, I can see there are some video, but I'm not sure if anyone watching or learning anything. So this is how we can have our corner shelves. Now if you don't like here this side you have 3 and that side you have 4, if you don't like it, you can delete one of these and you can have 3 on the right, 3 on the left. Let me know through the comments if you like it. Okay guys, video is being too long, so we had some fun. I hope you like the video. If you like it, let me know, and you can throw some like and comments if you want. Enjoy your day or night guys. See you in the next video. Bye for today.